What do we use tawa for? Making rotis or chapatis? But I met a chef few years back who was making fish on tawa. Taking some inspiration from him, I am creating my own version of tawa fish with the help of chili and mint. I have pat dried the fish. Now I will cut it. For tawa fish, I have used kingfish. Kingfish is the perfect fish for tawa fish, but you can also use sea bream if available. But remember, while cutting the fish, your knife should be really sharp. Reason being, the fish should not get spoiled. Plus, there should be no accidents in the kitchen. After cutting the fish, I'm going to start off with the first set of marination. I'm going to add little oil to it. Turmeric powder. With that, yellow chili powder, salt and black pepper. Remember one thing, to season your fish very well, then only the fish will get cooked properly. After mixing all the masalas, now I'm going to add little lemon juice to it. Mix it with the masalas. Now I'm going to apply the marination on the fish. And now I'm going to set it aside for a couple of minutes. By that time, I'll prepare my second marination. And for my second marination, first I'm going to chop red chilies. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. And next, I'm going to chop some fresh coriander. After chopping the coriander, I'm going to transfer it to the same bowl in which I had put chopped red chilies. I'm taking a bigger bowl, and now I'll start off with the second set of the marination. First, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. With this, I'm going to add mint paste. Following the mint paste, the chopped coriander and chilies, and last the masalas. First, garam masala, coriander powder and roasted cumin powder. I am mixing the marination. It is ready. Now we'll apply it on the fish. I'm marinating the fish with my hand so that the fish get nicely marinated from all the sides. My marination is done. I'm going to let the fish rest for a few minutes and then we'll start cooking the fish. I'm taking my tawa, switching on the gas, adding oil on it. As the tawa starts heating up, I'm going to take the fish and put skin side down. You should feel this fizz. The upper part is cold, so you can just keep a hand on it, slide the spatula below and just turn it. Keep a hand on top and just turn. Let the fish cook for a few minutes and then we'll do the plating. I'm going to turn all the fishes. Already cooked, and finally a squeeze of lemon on all. And it straight goes onto the serving plate. And finally garnish with microgreens. And our tawa fish is now ready. Don't worry, there's nothing fishy about it, but it is a delicious fish treat. If you guys want me to make more not so fishy recipes, then do write in the comment section below. It's my time to leave. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and keep cooking.